Sometimes in life, you just gotta treat yourself. This can mean something different for everyone. For some, it's as simple as a night out on the town. For others, a fancy new haircut or a spa night. It could mean getting a brand new sports car, or a creepy doll to add to your super freaky doll collection. Who am I to judge? For me, it meant getting a Dalstrong Orbital Razer pizza cutter. This thing's supposed to be the Rolls Royce of pizza cutters, but let's put it to the test. Treat yourself.
Okay, before we start haphazardly slicing and dicing household objects, let's take a look at this thing. First off, look at this packaging. Am I opening a pizza cutter or a Rolex here? But seriously, it's a nice package. My first impression is, gosh dang, that's a heavy cutter. I'd say it weighs twice as much as an average pizza cutter. The design is super nice, it's very easy to grip, it seems well balanced, and it's got a lot of nice little cutesy-wootsy details. 10 out of 10 for aesthetics for sure. Okay, now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's cut some shit up. First up, an overcooked thin crust cheese pizza. No surprise here, it cuts through it like butter. Let's try a stuffed pizza. I'm actually impressed by how clean it cuts this. I half expected it to push a bunch of ingredients out as I cut through it. Okay, moving on to a more challenging foe, a nearly 2-inch thick pan pizza monster. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm confident this thing can tackle any pizza we throw at it. So, let's try some non-pizza items and see how sharp it really is. At the end of the day, this is a sexy cutter that does an awesome job on pizza. However, it's far from the sharpest blade on the block. It also falls short on cutting anything thicker than about 2 inches due to the depth of the bolt holding the blade on. That said, I'd still recommend it if you got a little extra cash and want a pizza cutter to impress your friends or intimidate your enemies. If you're interested in purchasing a Dalstrong pizza cutter, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.